hair today. I'm using Radiant Raspberry Permanent this time. Last time I used a demi color. So this time I'm using a permanent color and it's darker. It's Radiant Raspberry. It's a violet red. So hopefully, because the base is violet, it won't come out an orange or brassy color this time. And because it's permanent and darker, I'm hoping that it comes out like the purplish color that it looks like on there. I'll have to show you guys a little swatch. Because there's no swatch on this thing for some reason, like. So yeah, it's Radiant Red Ion Permanent Cream Hair Color, 5VR, Intensive Shine, PPD free, all that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully this comes out good. We'll see what happens. And then I got a 20 developer to help the color, I guess, process more. That's what they said. Opens your cuticle, your hair cuticles, and helps it process more or whatever. Don't quote me. I'm not like a beauty guru or like a hair person. I just know what works for my hair. If you see things poking through, it's my scarf under this bun. I was just throwing things together this morning. But yeah, so this is what I have to work with, and this is what I'm doing today. So I started recording this before when I did the first half of my hair. I'll show you in 2 seconds. But I don't think the sound was on, so that's cool. I had it connected to another speaker, but the speaker just decided to not work, so that's cool. But anyways, like I said in the last clip, I'm going to go back and see if it even worked. I don't know if it did. This, I started from the roots and worked my way up to the top. And I sectioned it off, like I'm doing the bottom back half first, and then I did the backity back first. I did the backity back first, and then I separated it, worked my way up from the tips to the roots, and then I'm gonna go in and do this part too. So that's what you missed. Not really. I felt like I felt hair fall off, but then I forgot how long my hair has gotten, and then it was just a curl falling. Anyways, I'm going in the bathroom to finish this because I literally have an ass ton of dye left, and I'm sick of being in front of this computer. I need to see what I'm doing. The massacre is over. Yeah, I wore gloves, but like when you have nails, like this nail poked through, and there was like another one. I don't know. Sometimes they poke through and you don't even notice because you're going hard in the paint, the hair paint. Just kidding. Anyways, so this is the dyeing process of the Radiant Raspberry. It picks up more red on camera than it is in person. It's more purpley, more violet-y than red, obviously, because the violet is first in the name. So it has a violet base, and I guess red undertones or highlights. We'll see how it comes out. It's pretty dark in person. Yeah, this lighting is not doing it any justice. Plus, like I said, there's a blue light around my webcam, and then this is a LED light thing over there. So, but this is what it's looking like right now. I just finished putting the dye in. You'll notice some spots it looks lighter, and some spots it looks darker. And that's because that's how I had dyed my hair before, like an ombre effect, and that's how I wanted it, so I could just use one color and have a multi, like, dimensional, or highlight, two-tone effect, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But anyways, I want to turn around and look at the back again, because I personally can never see the back when I'm doing it, so when I look back on this video, I want to, sorry, I had to hair flip it just because it was, like, going in my eyes, but, yeah, I want to look back when I look at this video and see what the back looked like when I was dyeing it also, because I never see the back. So anyways, this is what it looks like right now. I'll come back when I rinse it out and show you the finished product. And yeah, I always get hair dye everywhere. I'm not really worried about it. Hair dye has been in for about half an hour. And it says to leave it in for half an hour to 45 minutes. So I'm going to take this off with you guys and see what's going on here. Okay, that's definitely like more of a burgundy in this light, but we never know what's really going on under there, because of the simple fact that the lighting is way different in here. So hopefully it's that purpley color that's all over my shirt. But yeah, it's actually taking pretty good to my hair. Doing some full coverage effects here. I'm glad I went to the roots with it. But even if it turns out this like burgundy color, I'm kind of alright with it. I used to do my hair burgundy a lot. But I'm hoping it still picks up on the violet tones. Because it's a violet base. So we'll see what happens when we'll see what happens when I rinse it out. Alright, so I just hopped out of the shower. Yes, I'm in a towel. No, I'm not naked. Whatever. So I just wanted to pop on here real quick because my phone had like no storage. This is the result of that Radiant Raspberry. In person, it's like really burgundy-ish. I don't know. It's supposed to be like more violet based. It's still wet and dark right now, so we'll see what happens when it dries. But anyways, the color took pretty good. Actually very good. And I'm not disappointed at all. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's still wet a little bit. It's not completely dry, but this is Radiant Raspberry on my hair. I showed you the before. This is the after. Like I said, it's still wet. When I style it and it dries and all that stuff, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this. I liked the turnout. Like I said, the coloring picks up different because of the lighting in here. So I'll try to take a few pictures in different lighting, natural lighting, my bathroom lighting, all that good stuff. I feel like I have to lean back so people can see that I have a towel on and I'm not naked. But anyways, this is the color, Radiant Raspberry, Ion Color Brilliance, Permanent, over the Honey Blonde, Creme of Nature. So yeah. I'm not mad at it at all. I'll come back after and show you guys like what it looks like dried and stuff like that and different lights. I'll insert pictures or something. All right, thank you.